Columbus office market in the fourth quarter, we had 93,000 square feet of positive absorption for office space. This helped out and put the grand total for the year at 350,000 square feet of positive absorption. In comparison to last year, our vacancy rate went down just 1 point. So last year we're at 12%, this year we're at 11% at the end of the year. The CBD is about at the same point as the suburbs. They're both right at about 11%. As part of the positive absorption, there's been some significant lease transactions, particularly in the fourth quarter of this year. Of note was Icor leasing a single-story Daimler buildings being developed out in the New Albany submarket. That'll be 50,000 square feet. Another transaction of significance that was done in another Daimler building at the Water's Edge 2 building, Sedgwick, took 36,000 square feet. And then here in our own Marinova building where we're located, the Isaac Wiles law firms are coming together. They'll take occupancy at the end of the first quarter next year, but they leased 42,606 square feet over 2 floors in the building with another significant transaction. In the fourth quarter of 2012, we had some significant sale transactions to go along with that good leasing activity. For the 10 building portfolio sale of AEW, sold the combination of Officescape, Corporate Exchange, 1 building in Dublin as well. The price was $25 million, about $32 a square foot, and like I said, that was AEW, sold at the Amcor Holdings out of the Canada market. 4650 Lakehurst Court in the Dublin submarket was a lease that recently renewed with CenturyLink. 165,000 square feet sold from Blackstone to Wells Core REIT. The price on that was $25 million. Also, Blackstone was involved in another sale, 445 Hutchinson, also known as Community Corporate Center, or the 9-story in the Worthington submarket. $20 million, 250,000 square feet, works out to about $82 a square foot on the sale price there for that one. 250 Civic Center downtown. Marconi Partners purchased that from Genworth, $113,000. The purchase price was $6,100,000, $53 a foot. Class A building downtown on Bicentennial Park, nice property there. Cast organizations can be relocating in their property, have a little extra space left over. One of the more interesting transactions, 3,000 Corporate Exchange, $8.5 million, 160,000 square feet of building, $53 a square foot is what that works out to. Molina Healthcare is moving from the Worthington submarket to purchase this building and occupy it at the end of 2013. Overall, it makes for an interesting transaction in that when we talked about the leases activity in the market, that was the reason why Icor ended up going out to the single-story building into the Washington market as well. So good activity overall in the fourth quarter. Hopefully this leads over into good 2013.
So in 2013, we plan to see a lot more of the same. In 2012, vacancy decreased by a slight margin across the board in Columbus. There were a few markets that drove that a little bit more than others. Some of our hotter markets would be Polaris, Easton, New Albany, and then the Arena District, which is close to our central business district. Some of the main impactors of that were consumer confidence going up and tenants considering taking more space than they had in the past, and also just low development of speculative construction across the board in Columbus. So I forecast that if there is speculative development, those markets will be the ones that are willing to take the risk or the gamble. In 2013, we forecast that we'll see landlords need to still give some incentives to tenants to make a move, but less than in years past. This is because of a lack of supply, a lack of spaces, alternatives for them to consider. Also, with that being said, we still see the cities being a huge impactor of the decisions that tenants make, whether it's tax abatements on property or income tax abatements for these tenants.